Hey, let me show you how you can use camera pro mode on the POCO M6 Pro. First, you will have to click on the Pro, and now when you click on the left upper corner, you can find the description of every parameter. So for example, if you are not sure what is going on with the focus or shutter speed, here you can find short description. Next, we can find all of these parameters right here and also right here. So let's start from the bottom bar. First, we can adjust the white balance manually and automatically by going for A. The same it looks with the focus range, so manual and automatic. Next we got the shutter speed. We can even set it for 30 seconds. That's the ISO level. And here we can find the exposure compensation. That's actually the only parameter that we can only set manually. When you click on this arrow, we can find some other options. For example, what is very useful, that's actually the exposure verification when you are using the white balance or ISO level or even the shutter speed. So when we use these shutter speed, and you can find the red lines almost around your screen, it means that there's like too high exposure, so we have to decrease it, for example, by moving this shutter like this. And where there's actually not enough lights, you'll actually find the blue lines on the screen. And it works the same for the focus peaking. From here, you can also enable the 64 megapixel mode to get more quality on your photos. And you can switch between the ultra wide lens, and you can also turn on the filters. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.